to the where we can go to the our JavaScript portion. Now, firstly, we have to create a button. Firstly, after volume, we have to create button and mix ratio. We have to create a button. Inputting the mix ratio coarse aggregate water, we have to create a button. Button will be, the button will have a ID name, button, ID name BTN, and it will be display calculate. Save it. We can see the button, provide a break here, save it, you can see button. Bags of cement, actually we do not need this level. Level first for bags of cement, we will get the result. This will be for cement result. Similarly, copy this, and similarly for sand result, it will be sand result. Control C, Control V. Similarly, we have another two level, one for coarse aggregate, Control V, another for Control C, water. Save it. We can see 4. Actually, we do not need bag of cements. Then our option will be first one is bag of cement, second one is for sand, volume of sand, it will be in CFT. Next one will be volume, Control C. Next one is the volume of coarse aggregate, it is also in the CFT, and lastly volume of water, it will be also in the CFT. It will be volume of water. Save it. You can see that the bags of cement, number of bags of cement, volume of sand, volume of coarse aggregate, and volume of water. Okay, that's it for in the HTML part. Now go to the JavaScript part. Firstly, we have to take the volume. Let's say constant. It will be volume EL, will be document dot get element by ID. The ID of the volume will be taken as the input. The value will be, say, for the volume, it will be ball weight. The ID is ball weight. So name it as ball weight ELI. Then copy it. After that, we have to take the cement, sand, coarse aggregate, and water. So this will be cement ELI. Cement. The name will be cement. Next one, say we have ID name cement. Then copy it, paste it 1, 2, 3 times, create another name, say sand. Next one will be, say for coarse aggregate. Copy the name here, the ID will be coarse aggregate, and select this one, Control V, coarse aggregate. Next will be the ID will be water. Copy this and select the constant, Control D, Control V, it will be water. So we take the all input variables to JavaScript from HTML. We have to also take the button. Almost btn will be document dot get element by ID. It will be btn. We assign the name as btn. Also, you have to take the span result, the cement result, sand result, coarse aggregate result, and water result. Cement result. Now, copy, say, copy one, this one, it will be cement result, and the ID will be cement result. Let's see, is it cement result or not? Copy the ID. It will copy this and paste over here. It will be cement result. Now copy this 4 times. Copy this 4 times. One for Control D, one for sand result. Copy this, one for coarse aggregate result, and again copy this for water result. So we have all bring all the elements to from HTML to JavaScript. Now we have to do calculation. Create a function named calculate, and add the btn ele with the add event listener. On clicking, what happened? On clicking, it will call the calculate. Now you have to provide the calculation. So let's see how to do the calculation. Firstly, we have to convert the all volume to value. So vol dot control C, vol dot weight element dot value. We have to take this value. We have to take the element's value. We have to take the element's value actually. Utilize the element's value. And keep this in the vol weight val, and make it another constant term over here. So this is for 1, Control C, Control V, Control V, Control V, Control V. Firstly, and again, we have to take Control C, this will be for cement. Next one, Control D, this will be for sand. Next one, Control D, this will be coarse aggregate. This will be coarse aggregate. Adjust the name coarse aggregate. The name is coarse aggregate. Okay, it's okay. I think that the name is okay, coarse aggregate. So last one should be for water. It will be for water. Water volume equal to water EL dot value. There is a problem in the coarse aggregate. Let's see. The name is okay, seems to be okay. Let's check it. The coarse aggregate ID is over here. Copy it. We paste it. The result will be coarse aggregate. I guess the result will be coarse aggregate. The result coarse aggregate result. Cement, sand, coarse Oh, the name is course result. We do not need this one. The result will be course result V, and it will be course result. Uh, save it. Let's save it. Course aggregate. Course will be maybe small. Course is ID. Keep the course ID small. Course aggregate. The name will be course aggregate. The name will be course aggregate. The name will be COAR. Course aggregate. The name will be course aggregate. Take the value of this one. Let's save it. So we bring all the values. We bring all the values. Now we have to do calculation. To calculation, firstly we have to calculate volume of dry. Volume of dry. Volume of dry dry volume will be volume of wet volume. Whatever we get the wet volume, Control C, we have to multiply. We have to divide this by 1.5. And after multiplying this, we have to add another constant name, add. The add will be sum of cement volume, that is cement ratio, plus sand ratio, sand volume, plus coarse aggregate volume. Control C plus providing, we get the entire add. Now we have to calculate the volume of cement, sand, and coarse aggregate. The volume of cement, sand, and coarse aggregate. So firstly, calculate the volume of water. So water volume will be, the water result will be what? The result, say this is another result, is an element, say result, is a constant term. Water result will be what? Water result will be our dry volume volume dry weight, dry volume dry value, the water result will be volume dry value into the water cement ratio. The water cement ratio, what is the water cement ratio, will be water really. The water value, that is water cement ratio, constant V. That's it. And append this with the result with water result ELI. Append this result with the water ELI. That will be dot inner text equal to our water result. Control C, Control V. Let's check. Shift, save it. Let's run. Say our volume is, say, 5. Cement is 1, sand is 2, aggregate is 4, water cement is 0.45, 0.5. Calculate. We cannot see it actually. We have to adjust the calculation. Again, this is for water cement ratio. Let's check. So here is the correction. We write here the ID as volume, but the ID we take the vol weight. Just copy the vol weight here. Control and paste the ID of the concrete is vol weight, and also the water ID, water result ID was the only water. We have to change it to water